Hey y'all, so it is the start of a new week and I am keeping busy. Again, our work week starts on Friday, so I am keeping busy here in our lapidary room, as I'm calling it. It used to be my pantry, but now we just sit in here. Oh my god, I'm seasick. Okay. Um, but I've got my grinder set up. And my ring saw, and hopefully if we ever get any like cab king or anything like that, it's okay to wish and have something to work towards. But we also keep our rotary tumbler in here and different things, so it's just the loud, messy room of the craft room. But I'm getting a bunch of these cabochons grooved for our shop update. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but I was ill, and I'm all better today. Sometimes they really do mean it, that if you don't schedule maintenance for your machinery will schedule it for you, and I'm just a big meat machine. So I needed a day off and my body told me so, but I did, and we're back at it today, and I'm really excited for another fun week of productivity, but not to the point that I'm burning myself out, because, well, we've all got something to work on, don't we? But productive, fun. I'm looking forward to, it's raining outside, it's a beautiful week, and I want to just be here and enjoy it. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Okay guys, it is still Friday, but craft vlog time. We just finished having a fantastic live stream where I talked probably too much about horses, but that's fine. And then we made this, which I love. It's one of our groovy cabs, but I started experimenting with doing the Saturn wire wrap. I think we're gonna get it crisper next time, but this was the very first one that I had made, like, off camera, so already I feel like that's a pretty substantial improvement. And then we also made these two pendants, and then we also did the wire wrapping on this guy, and then we also put together this scale strip. So super busy day, super busy live stream. Thank you to everybody who came and hung out. We will see you tomorrow, and there's no telling what we're going to be working on, so mwah, bye. Y'all, today in our live stream, I think we finished sculpting the dragon. So I still need to separate her from the back plate, get her mounted on her display board. So there'll be a little bit of sculpting to touch up anything that chips or needs patched there. But this is how she's looking. It was a really good stream, a really productive day. I'm really pleased with the details and everything. Very excited. Hey guys, I am geode tying some circle skirts for us to ice dye them either tomorrow or the next day. Got a busy week upcoming. We're prepping for the moth market, and then we're gonna be vending for 3 weekends in a row. So I'm nervous but excited and just getting it done. But it's been a good day. We had a really good stream. Let me show you guys what we made in our stream today. In today's live stream, she's still upside down, but we got this dragon detached from her baseboard and got all the sculpting done for all around the base. So we'll be ready to paint her tomorrow. And then we also got the first layer of paint put down for the dragon eggs. And then I found all of this jewelry in a box, like in with my scrap wire. And I'm just so excited that, oh my god. And then we also got some foam clay put onto the inside of this leather mask, because I'd like to see how it adheres. But yeah, super productive day, and I can't wait to to get done tying these skirts and to take the rest of the day off. I'm gonna be honest, I'm pretty tired. But that is us for this week, you guys. Stay tuned for next week's vlog because I'm going to be sharing our booth setup and all the different things that we're doing here at Back to Earth Creations with you guys, and I'll see you next week. So until then, thank you and happy crafting. Mwah! Bye.